Today guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use one of these. It's supposed to be for dogs. You can also use it for a weapon. You can start spinning. Oh, ow. If you want to use this as a weapon, or if you want to use this for a dog toy, you can just throw it. Whee! That's how you use it. Or you can use it for a weapon. Start spinning. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, let's hit that. Ow. It's really hard for me to record and at the same time, meaning I'm gonna hold it and record right like this. Yeah, that's a bad idea. I'd rather hold it. If you guys need a target something, guys, look for something like this, like one of these. This was like 2 weeks, then be really stable, and then you can do this. You guys see me? Okay. Back up. You can do another thing. Okay. Sad news, the plank that's been in that ground for like really long is officially out. I had a lot of memories. Okay guys. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Peace.